If you just buy a used car that's really stinky or has a really heavy scent coming out of the air, then here's what you got to do. Get yourself a cabin air filter. This one has charcoal infused, so a little better protection. Then you just pop off, find out what your car is, and you pop off the plastic grate here, and this car just takes 3 little screws, 7mm, it's a 05 STS. Then this plastic clips off, and you can get right to it. Actually, this doesn't look too bad, but whoever had this car before put a really heavy perfume scent in it. It's just driving me nuts. I can tolerate it for a little while, just on long trips with the air on, it's not that great. But it's really easy to do. So you just pop the old filter out, look for the airflow. Same way, and I put that down, with arrow pointing the same way, just so I didn't mess anything up. You could do the same, and put it back in. Here's the old filter. A whole bunch of dirt and stuff got caught in that. There's the side that goes to the cabin. I'm not sure if this was white originally or if it was charcoal infused. Either way, definitely not the worst I've seen, but definitely worth changing. Smells like a brand new car now. So the next time you have a car that has a little bit of a smell in it, just take a few dollars and do it yourself, and you'll have a car that smells almost like brand new.